In this video, we'll walk through the complete process of pouring, sectioning, and mounting a full arch model using the Monotrac system. Step 1. Preparation and alignment. Begin with the dentist's bite registration, full arch impression, and opposing bite. Trim the die side impression flat and parallel to the occlusal plane, ensuring it will fit within the vertical dimensions of the articulator and allow proper closure. Mark alignment guide points using a Sharpie, or place a map pin at the midline to help align the impression onto the Monotrac base. Step 2. Pouring the die side. Pour die stone into both the impression and the Monotrac base. Invert the poured Monotrac base over the impression, aligning the demarcations and marks you made previously. Let set until fully hardened. Step 3. Remove and trim. Once set, remove the impression tray and the tear-away base wall former. To eject the model from the base, use gentle, even taps forward and back, especially at the palatal area, to achieve a smooth, even lift-off all the way around the perimeter. If ejection is delayed more than 24 hours, or if you simply want easier removal, Monotrac's Stoner Silicone Spray helps make removal quick and easy. Trim away any excess stone flash using optional Monotrac trimmers. Step 4. Drying and sectioning. For fast, efficient processing, place the model in a dehydrator for approximately 20 minutes to ensure it is fully dry and warm before sectioning. While the model is still warm, section the dies using a handsaw, handpiece disc, lathe, or Monotrac die cutter. Immediately after sectioning, use compressed air to remove dust and debris from the retention holes and around each section. Dies should reseat into the base with a slight stick. Loose dies usually indicate dust, debris, or incomplete cleaning. Step 5. Mounting with adjustable vertical stops. Tripod support. In this demonstration, we are mounting a full mouth reconstruction with an open occlusion. Because there are no natural stops, we will use a tripod vertical stop setup to open and control the patient's vertical occlusion. To complete the mount, you will need the Monotrac base, 3 stop plugs, 3 adjustment screws, 3 stop heads, the hinge, the pickup cup, and the opposing model with bite registration. Insert the 3 stop plugs into the Monotrac base. Add the vertical adjustment screws, then attach the stop heads. Separate the hinge. Attach one half to the Monotrac full arch base and insert the other half into the back of the pickup cup. Place the bite registration on the die side arch, then position the opposing model on top of the bite registration. Secure the models with rubber bands or sticky wax. Before adding plaster, do a dry run by folding the hinge and bringing the pickup cup over the bite to confirm proper fit and alignment. Fill the pickup tray with plaster, fold at the hinge, and seat the opposing model into the tray to complete the setup. Allow the plaster to fully set before removing the tray. Use a knife or snips to remove the retention ears off the stop heads as well as the rubber bands or sticky wax. Step 6. Final steps. Once set, open the model and ensure all dies seat securely. The Monotrac system allows for thin, stable dies and sectioning flexibility, making full arch work fast, accurate, and simple. The full arch system also gives the lab flexibility beyond standard model work. For example, when creating a full arch sectioned implant model, cones can be removed to accommodate implant analog locations. This can be done with a lab burr or drill bit on the bottom side of the base. Once a cone is removed, holes can be plugged with Monotrac dammet putty or boxing wax prior to pouring the base. The analog should passively occupy these locations without touching. Dry fit to verify and use alignment markings to ensure accurate repositioning during pour and setup. This method provides a simple, practical technique for sectioned implant models. The Monotrac Full Arch Split Caster Adapter Plate provides a magnetic interface between Monotrac full arch bases and any semi or fully adjustable articulator. Monotrac's unique breakdown capability allows removal of hinge and plug-in stops. The compact Monotrac articulator that was designed for light and easy handling can now quickly transfer to a fully adjustable articulator of choice for refined occlusal relation. Simply remove the stop plugs and one hinge member to transfer. Be sure to color code the stops for proper relocation. If you have any questions, check the instructions or reach out to us.